Ghana for Mimamufa Hudie Dapa. Happy Independence Day, Ghana. Yeah. Okay, so last year I spent, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 weeks teaching everyone how to sing Yɛn Ara, Asase. And so today I'm just going to sing it. And even if you don't know it, so we have God Bless Our Homeland Ghana. That one is in English, so I hope that you all know how to sing it. And then we have Yɛn Ara, Asase, and I love that song. And I think many of us know at least a part of it, but I don't know many people around my age or younger in the diaspora who know the entire song. So this is your chance to learn. I'll sing it regular, I'll break it down, I'll sing it slowly, I'll say the words. Today's our Independence Day, so let's go. Yɛn Ara, Asase, ɛyɛ dindimayeng, Mogya, nananom, hwie nyade-to-hɔ-mayeng. Aduru ne wonsoso, ɛbɛyɛ atoa so. Nimdeɛ ntraso, nkoto-kranne ne pɛsɛmenkomenya. Adiyɛ bremu damama yɛn asase hu do atom sɛ. Ɔman ɛbɛyɛ, Ɔman ɛrenyɛ, nsɛnnahɔ sɛ. Ɔmanfo bra ɛkyerɛ. Ɔman ɛbɛyɛ, Ɔman ɛrenyɛ, nsɛnnahɔ sɛ. Ɔmanfo bra ɛkyerɛ. Okay. Yɛn Ara, Asase. Yɛn, we, us. Asase is land. Asase, our land. Near this. So Yɛn Ara, Asase, this here is our land. Ghana belongs to us. Yɛn Ara, Asase. Yɛn Ara, Asase. Ɛyɛ dindimayeng. Ɛyɛ dindimayeng. It is not a cheap land. It is a body. It is, if something boiled, it is expensive. So this land belongs to us. Ghana belongs to us, and it is an expensive land. Mogya nananom hwie nyade-to-hɔ-mayeng. Mogya, blood. Nananom, ancestors. Hwie is to spill, to pour. Hwie, poured out. Nyade-to-hɔ-mayeng. Nyade-to-hɔ. So if you say fatohɔ, toho, like to put down. So this here, Ghana, is our land. It is an expensive land, won by the blood that our ancestors poured out finally for us. Mogya nananom hwie nyade-to-hɔ-mayeng. Mogya nananom hwie nyade-to-hɔ-mayeng. So Ghana belongs to me and you. It is not a cheap land. It is expensive. And it is a land that was won by the blood and toil of our forefathers and our foremothers. Mogya nananom hwie nyade-to-hɔ-mayeng. Aduru ne wonsoso. It is now up to me and you. Aduru, it is time. It is now. Me, ne, and wo, you, so also. So it is now. So our forefathers, they fought, they bled, they died. Our foremothers, they fought, they bled, they died. And now it is my turn, and it is also your turn. Aduru ne wonsoso. Se yɛbɛyɛ atoa so. So it is our turn to do more and continue. Se yɛbɛyɛ. Se, in this case, that or for. Yɛn, we, us, our. Bɛyɛ, to do. Be something. Atoa so, toa so, continue. So it is our turn, me and you, to do something to continue. Excuse me. Say ɛbɛyɛ atoa so. And then the song, so the song has started. Yɛn Ara Asase or Yɛn Ara Asase. Ɛyɛ dindimayeng. Mogya nananom hwie gu nyade to hɔ maa yɛn. Aduru mene won so sɛ yɛbɛyɛ bi atoa so. Then we continue. Nimdeɛ ntraso. Nimdeɛ is like knowledge, book knowledge in this case. Nimdeɛ ntraso. So the love of knowledge. Nkoto-kranne. Hey, what was nkoto-kranne? I don't remember in this very moment. But I think it's like collecting of degrees, because this part of the song, Nimdeɛ ntraso, nkoto-kranne, ne pɛsɛmenkomenya. So pɛsɛmenkomenya is one of those words, so it's selfishness. Now, if you think about the definition of the word selfish in English, it's, you know, someone who only wants themselves to get something and they don't really care for others. So the word for selfish in Twi is pɛsɛmenkomenya. And if you say it very slowly, it's me pɛsɛmenkomenya. Me pe want se that me nkwa alone me nya get. I want that I alone I get. Selfishness. Me pɛsɛmenkomenya nya. So the breakdown of the word selfish in Twi is selfish, right? So if you take the words that make up the word selfish in Twi is I want that I alone get something. Me pɛsɛmenkomenya, pɛsɛmenkomenya. So this song is saying Ghana belongs to us. It was hard fought, blood and toil of our foremothers and our forefathers. It is now our turn to do something to continue their work. But the love of knowledge and just like collecting degrees and individualism has, well, actually that's where it is, and selfishness. So it's collecting degrees, you know, knowledge, like overemphasis of knowledge and selfishness. Nimdeɛ ntraso nkoto-kranne pɛsɛmenkomenya. Adi yɛn mu dem. So all of those three have now been so ingrained in our lives. Adi yɛn mu dem. Adi yɛn mu dem amaya. So I have to repeat it in my head because I'm used to singing it and not saying it. So adi yɛn mu dem ama. Hey, what is it? No, now I have to look at the words. Adi yɛn mu dem. Okay, ama yɛn asaase ho dɔ atomu se. So the selfishness, the collecting of degrees, the worldly, just like so much knowledge, but like in a selfish way, has been so ingrained in our lives that our love for this land, Ghana, has fallen. Atomu se. So Yɛn Ara Asase ni ɛyɛ dinding mayeng. Mogya nananom hwie gu nyade to hɔ maa yɛn. Aduru mene won so sɛ yɛbɛyɛ bi atoa so. Nimdeɛ ntraso nkoto-kranne ne pɛsɛmenkomenya. Adi yɛn mu dem ama yɛn asase ho dɔ atom sɛ. Ɔman ɛbɛyɛ. Ɔman, country. Ɔman no, the country Ghana. So no, in this case, it's just a pronoun for Ghana. Ɔman no, sɛ ɛbɛyɛ, it will be well, it shall be well, it will do well. If Ghana is going to do well, if Ghana is going to prosper, Ɔman no ɛbɛyɛ. If Ghana is not going to prosper, Ɔman no ɛrenyɛ. Ɛyɛ nsɛnnahɔ sɛ. It has been ɛyɛ nsɛnnahɔ sɛ. It is, the past has shown us history has shown us, experience has shown us, the signs have shown us, nsɛnnahɔ. So it is, the signs have shown us that Ɔmanfo bra that the behavior of Ghanaians is what is going to tell if this country of ours is going to prosper. Nsɛnnahɔ sɛ Ɔmanfo bra na ɛkyerɛ. So Ɔmanfo is, like the countrymen and women, the citizens. Bra is your life, like the way that you're living your life. So if Ghana is going to prosper, me and you, our behavior, our relation, our love for the land again is what's going to determine ɛbɛyɛ yo if it will do well, or ɛrenyɛ yo if it will not do well. So today, when our beloved country is 68, what are you doing to make sure Ghana ɛbɛyɛ? I know for me this might seem small, but sharing what I know of the culture as someone who grew up in the Bronx, in New York, that is one of my ways of making sure that Ghana ɛbɛyɛ. So that those of us, we might never live in Ghana permanently ever again, but we are Ghanaian wherever we go. So if we can learn the language, really learn the history, go back, if we can make it our own in the diaspora, it will survive, it will thrive, it will evolve, and we will always keep that connection to our beautiful, beautiful Ghana. Yɛn Ara asase ni ɛyabɔ dendema Mogya nananom hwie gu nyade to hɔ Aduru ne wonsoso sɛ yɛbɛyɛ bi atoa so Nimdeɛ ntraso nkoto-kranne ne pɛsɛmenkomenya ɛde yɛn mu dɛmama yɛn asase ho dɔ atom sɛ Ɔman ɛbɛyɛ yo, Ɔman ɛrenyɛ yo, ɛyɛ nsɛnnahɔ sɛ Ɔmanfo bra na ɛkyerɛ, Ɔman ɛbɛyɛ yo, Ɔman ɛrenyɛ yo, ɛyɛ nsɛnnahɔ sɛ Ɔmanfo bra na ɛkyerɛ. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I know this was not intro, but today is our Independence Day, so it was very important to me that I shared this. Have a wonderful Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.